Hey there. Experiencing a card decline on Cash App can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to make an important transaction. But worry not, because in this guide, we'll explore how to fix card declined Cash App and ensure your payments go through smoothly next time. Whether it's a problem with your card or the app itself, we've got you covered with actionable solutions. Step 1. Check your card details. First and foremost, ensure that your card details are entered correctly. Even a minor mistake in details like the expiration date, CVV, or card number can result in a transaction failure. Open the Cash App and go to the linked cards section. Double check all the card information to confirm it's accurate. If you spot any errors, update them promptly. This simple step often resolves the issue. Step 2. Verify your account balance. Sometimes the cause of a card decline is as simple as insufficient funds. Before trying another transaction, ensure that your bank account has enough balance to cover the purchase. Open your bank's app or log into online banking to verify your balance. If funds are low, you might want to transfer money to your Cash App balance or add another funding source to prevent future decline. Step 3. Contact your bank. If your card details are correct and you have sufficient funds, the next step is to contact your bank. Banks occasionally block transactions they deem suspicious. A quick call to your bank can clarify this is the case. Ask if there were any holds on recent transactions through Cash App. If your bank confirms they blocked or flagged a transaction, request to lift the restriction and inquire about steps to prevent this from happening again. Step 4. Update the Cash App. Using an outdated version of Cash App might lead to functionality issues, including declined transactions. Ensure you're running the latest version by checking for updates in your device's app store. If an update is available, download and install it before trying your payment again. Updated apps often include bug fixes and enhancements that improve overall performance and transaction success. Step 5. Try another payment method. If you're unable to resolve the issue with your current card, consider using another payment method. Cash App allows you to link multiple cards and bank accounts. You can switch to a different card or account and attempt your transaction again. This provides a temporary workaround while you troubleshoot the problem with your primary payment method. Step 6. Contact Cash App support. When all else fails, reaching out to Cash App support is a good option. Open the app, navigate to the support section, and describe your issue in detail. Cash App support team can provide insights specific to your account and may be able to identify any issues causing your card to be declined. They can guide you through any additional steps needed to resolve the problem. Understanding how to fix card declined Cash App is essential to maintaining seamless transactions. Start by checking your card details, verifying your balance, and contacting your bank for any hold. Always ensure your app is up to date and be prepared to switch payment methods if needed. And if the issue persists, Cash App support is there to assist. By following these steps, you can avoid future frustration and enjoy smooth transactions in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your transactions.